Hello, Kuya. Hello, ayan. Ruben and Giselle, congratulations. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Sana pagpatuloy nyo yung pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa dahil sobrang nakakahanga talaga yung ganyang klaseng love. Kasi minsan lang nakakahanap ng ganyan. And Giselle, you're so lucky kasi talagang love na love ka ni Ruben. And I'm sure fabulous ka talaga kaya ganyan ka ka-love ni Ruben. Mahaba talaga ang hair mo. At sana magkaroon pa kayo ng mas marami pa mga anak. Yes! Woo!
Yay, thank you, Ma.
Ay.
Sorry.
RJ!
Hello. Well, congrats sa inyong dalawa, Ruben and Giselle.
Uy.
Woyoy! Anyway, sa nakita ko kanina, honestly, sa wedding na to, nakapunta na ako sa mga ibang weddings, pero for the first time ako nakita, ikaw ang pinaka-masayang groom na nakilala ko. Seryoso. Usually, alam mo yan, masaya rin yung iba, pero yung natatakot, nanginginig, pero sa inyo, alam mo yun, sobrang kitang-kita yung love, kitang-kita yung saya, yung nadadaan rin sa biroan para hindi umiyak, pero alam mo yun, sobrang nakakatuwa na yung sa sinabi ni Mariel, sobrang hirap nga makahanap. It's very rare to find love like that, and siguro tatagal yan. Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin sana tumagal. Sigurado akong tatagal yan. And, you know, best wishes for you both. Congrats.
Thank you, God.
RJ!
Oo. Oo. Ato, tanaw mo dito, dito yung
Congratulations, Kuya Ruben, Ate Giselle. I wish you guys all the best, all the happiness. I was so touched at the ceremony today. I really saw the love between you guys, and it's very inspiring. Wow. It was really different. I've been to a lot of weddings, and I was really touched. I just want to say that I pray that the Lord bless and keep you guys, richly bless your marriage, your family, all of you guys, your children, many more children. God bless you guys.
Thank you, Riza. Love you, Riza. Next contestant. This is your question. Dara.
Congratulations, Kuya Ruben. I just want to thank everyone for making this day possible. Magagalak akong makilala kayo, family mo, lahat kayo. Thank you for coming, and sana matatagal yung marriage niyo. So love each other and be free.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Tol. Thank you.
Wow, yes! Picture niyo ako, guys.
Congratulations, guys, once again. Gusto ko sabihin sa inyo uli. Ruben, maraming salamat again para sa lahat. Ibang klase ng kaibigan para sa akin. I see you every day, tuwing umaga, working hard. And alam ko na why you do it. Para sa bagong buhay, for your family. I see the motivation in your eyes. I see the inspiration. And you're a great example for all of us. So maraming salamat once again, Ruben. And we love you, man.
I love you, Tol.
Love you.
Thank you, Tol.
Giselle?